Growing plants without soil. Methods of growing plants without soil. There are two popular methods for growing plants without soil: hydroponics and aeroponics. Hydroponics. Hydroponics is the art and science of growing plants in a soil-free environment. It is cultivation of plants in water. Utilizing this technology, the roots absorb balanced nutrients dissolved in water that meets all the plant developmental requirements. History of hydroponics. There are many ancient records of people using the concept of hydroponics to grow plants. One such important record is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, which is considered one of the wonders of the ancient world. In Babylon, they used gravel stones to grow plants. Hydroponics became popularized by the news media in the 1920s when a scientist named Dr. William F. Jericho of the University of California, when he put lab experiments in plant nutrition on a commercial scale. So he termed these nutriculture systems as hydroponics. The word was derived from Greek words. Hydro means water, ponos means labor, literally water working. Hydroponic system. In this, photosynthesis process takes place with carbon dioxide and water, which gives glucose and oxygen. No soil required. Plants grown in hydroponics. Green veg, herbs, strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, radish, beans, etc. Advantages of hydroponics. Higher yields achieved in a smaller space. Nutrients precisely controlled. Soil-borne pests and diseases are eliminated. Weeds are eliminated. Plants are healthier and reach maturity faster. Automation is possible. Aeroponics. Aeroponics is a hydroponic system. The word aeroponics is derived from Greek word. Aero means air and ponos means labor. Aeroponic system, in which plant roots are suspended in air and misted with the nutrient water. Plants grown in aeroponics: corn, tomato, potato, coffee plant, etc. Advantages of aeroponics: oxygen available to root zone, greatly reduced pathogen pressure, greater control of plant environment, nutrients all utilized, no growing media needed, user friendly. Summary of aeroponics. Using both technologies sufficiently, we have many advantages of growing plants in deserts and tundra: no pests, water saving, water growth and eco-friendly. Thank you.